To rebuild the city is easy, but to rebuild a person is very difficult. We need the international community, NGOs to help us.
When ISIS conquered Mosul, this spread an economic disaster and a humanitarian crisis.
Madad Fund was very helpful to help us in response to the crisis and to maintain the host community services as well.
After displacement of the people, this hospital really it is full, and sometimes we put 2-3 patients in one bed because we have no other choice.
With Madad Project, we try to maintain a development approach. We wanted to expand the hospital, creating 50 extra beds, new recovery rooms, and a big new operating block with 3 rooms.
Before the crisis of ISIS, a monthly operation was ranging between 75 to 100 operations. After the crisis of ISIS, the number raised to around 250 to 300 operations every month. So this building, this new instrument, helped us too much to be able to provide the qualified and the services needed.
L'implementazione dei macchinari è stata fondamentale e loro stessi vedevano quanto erano importanti perché riuscivano a salvare i pazienti questi macchinari nuovi, come ad esempio gli alti flussi, che sono stati utilizzati per circa l'80% dei pazienti ammessi nelle terapie intensive e hanno visto che circa il 70% di questi pazienti sopravviveva dopo l'utilizzo degli alti flussi. Che è stata una delle pazienti che è stata più a lungo ricoverata. È forse la paziente più completa che abbiamo, che ha utilizzato tutti i presidi e i device che abbiamo portato. Lei è una paziente che ha una Guillain-Barré syndrome.
تقريبا السيروجال باش يشاوي كوبيد متوقيت هشكن ودستين متيشن ما قد زيد ما قصتي ما صبي مرابول رحت انا اقول بيدوي ودستي دوي ما وصا مرو وخوادي ودكتوره ساكر الحمد لله شفادي.
In the emergency hospital, the problem was that they didn't have an operating block with this name, internationally speaking.
Madad brought us a new, up-to-date operation rooms with good infection control system, with all the equipments that need to decrease the morbidity after the surgeries and to save many lives.
Acre is the second city of the Governorate.
In Acre, the district was congested with many IDPs and refugees.
There we again created a new operating block, introducing also there a lot of new international standard procedure.
Madad also helped us in the primary healthcare. We're renovating 50 primary health center, where are the first line that people can go and seek for treatment.
The strategy was to rehabilitate the primary health center, and in case this primary health center cannot give the health care to the patient, they refer the patient to the third level hospital in Duhok.
Madad left a well-established neonatal intensive care unit that decreased the mortality rate of the neonate by 20%.
برینگی بودم ده تکلیز ده هین و هیچ ده ضعیفن. اجبار بر بچه من جهازی دا هفت هیوی پیدا بود. تیمت ویره گلک باشن هاری کاریا مخرات کن چه بخوشی گلده نبچی که چند تیم سردانه آد کن بجن باشه هاری کاریا مگلک کن هاری کارم گل مهمیا. سپاس دکتر عادت که مویا همیا و از حس کن بچی که مچه بد و تا بخو گلک بنیم اکی دیجی هفیا خوده.
Through Madad Fund, we also asked AISPO to bring more expertise, to bring people to do on-job training.
The training is crucial in this kind of project. Without training, we are only a company, not an NGO, that brings development in poor countries.
Col paziente pediatrico è fondamentale comunicare, giocare, creare un rapporto di fiducia. Quando sono arrivata qua nessuna comunicava col paziente, come se avessero paura del paziente, che in realtà è l'opposto, è il paziente che ha paura di noi.
This child and small, if we do the communication with the patient, with the family, with the mother of the patient, it's good for the patient. Previously, I'm not want to do the care with the patient really because I said this is a difficult job for me. I can't do care for the patient. But when I saw Federica, how she saved the life of the patient, really is so interesting for me. She learned me a lot.
This sense of team was not there before. After they did the training, they developed that team, then you can feel it, you can see it, and you can measure the impact of that project.
Come loro sono immensamente grati a me, cioè io sono immensamente grata a loro. Credo che questa è e rimarrà l'esperienza più importante e più forte della mia vita.
Working in 4 hospitals, working in 52 primary centers in the territory, you feel your intervention very close to the people.
Madad left a good impact. but the camps are there, the IDPs all are there, the refugees are there, and the demands increased by 4 times if you compare 2013 and now. That's why we are calling for more support.